Hi Zach, we're going through your spelling words part 2. So in the last video I explained that when the letter A sounds like A in the coding, we will put a cap that looks like this on it. So this word sounds like this, A-G-A-N, again. And then you will notice an O and an E together in the word D-A-Z. So the O and the E together in this word make the A sound, A like in umbrella, which is usually produced by the letter U. It's one of the sounds that the letter U can make, A for umbrella. So that is why in the word D-A-Z, the O and the E together will have the two lines, as we explained that the two lines alert you that certain sounds and certain letters are not the usual sounds, are not making the sounds that they should usually make. So D-A-Z, does. That's why you see the two lines on the O-E and the two line on the S. An S should sound like S, but in the word does, it sounds like Z. O-E together should sound like O, but in the word does, it sounds like A. That explains the two lines on it. H-ear, here. D-on't, don't. K-aren't, can't. P-o-n-e's, ponies. So when you see a smiley face going from one E to the other E, separated by another letter, the sound is the long E sound. So it's E. So H-ear, here. Okay? We'll get into the E and the E with a smiley face and separated by another letter in between in a whole separate video. But the word is here, and the sounds that make up the word here is h-ear, here, okay? So in your spelling words for this week, we identified the E sound, the A sound, and the T sound. And we also we're introduced to the two lines on any letter, which should remind you that in that word where you see a letter with these two lines, that specific letter does not make any sound that it usually should. And then remember the O-E in the word does sounds like A for umbrella.